Hi everyone. In this podcast, I am going to talk about the role of a timer in a contest. As you are aware of, in a normal Toastmasters meeting, a timer is responsible for monitoring time for each meeting segment and each speaker. This year, District 92 is holding three contests in the district: International Speech Contest, Table Topic Contest, and Evaluation Contest. And each of these contests shall start from the club level. To talk about timer roles and responsibilities in a contest, let me divide this section into three parts. What should a timer need to do before the contest start, in between the contest, and after the contest is over? Before the contest, the club and chief judge together shall appoint two timers for the contest. Two timers keep the official record of the time of each contestant's speech. One timer is provided with a stopwatch and the other with a signaling device that displays green, yellow, and red color. As a timer, you should be aware of each of the contest time. For international speech contest, time allotted to the contestant is from 5 to 7 minutes. A green signal has to be displayed at 5 minutes and remain displayed for 1 minute. A yellow signal has to be displayed at 6 minutes and remain displayed for 1 minute. A red signal has to be displayed at 7 minutes and remain displayed until the conclusion of the speech. As a timer, you should know that the contestant will be disqualified if the speech is less than 4 minutes 30 seconds or more than 7 minutes 30 seconds. For table topic contest, time allotted to the contestant is from 1 minute to 2 minutes. A green signal has to be displayed at 1 minute and remain displayed for 30 seconds. A yellow signal has to be displayed at 1 minute 30 seconds and remain displayed for 30 seconds. A red signal has to be displayed at 2 minutes and remain displayed until the speech is concluded. A contestant will be disqualified if the speech is less than 1 minute or more than 2 minutes 30 seconds. For evaluation contest, time allotted to the speaker is from 2 to 3 minutes. A green signal has to be displayed at 2 minutes and remain displayed for 30 seconds. A yellow signal has to be displayed at 2 minutes and 30 seconds and remain displayed for 30 seconds. A red signal has to be displayed at 3 minutes and remain displayed until this evaluation is concluded. A contestant will be disqualified if the speech is less than 1 minute 30 seconds or more than 3 minutes 30 seconds. All speeches delivered by contestants must conform to the timing guidelines for the contest. As a timer, you should collect the speech contest time record sheet from the chief judge before any of the contest start. Before the contest start, as a timer, you should discuss with a fellow timer on who shall start the stopwatch and who shall hold the timing signals, so that there is no confusion later on. When the contest chair shares the name of the contestant for each contest, you should note down their names in the speech contest time record sheet. Please maintain separate sheet for separate contest. In between the contest, as a timer, either you or your fellow mate is going to provide warning signals to the contestants, which shall be clearly visible to the speakers but not obvious to the audience. The warning signal can be a A4 shaped colored card. Any visually impaired contestant is permitted to request and must be granted a form of warning signal of his or her own choosing. If any special device or specific instructions for such signal is required, the contestant must provide the same. As a timer, you should start the stopwatch with the contestant's first definite verbal or non-verbal communication with the audience. This usually will be the first word uttered by the contestant but would include any other communication such as sound effects, a stage act by another person, etc. After each of the contestants' speeches are over, you should note down the timing of each of the contestants in the speech contest time record sheet. In all the speech contests, no signal shall be provided for the overtime period. Any contestant is disqualified whose speech time is less than the minimum or more than the maximum time. In the event of technical failure of the signal or timing equipments, a speaker is allowed 30-second extra overtime before being disqualified. After the contest, Once the contest is over, you should hand over the timing sheet to chief judge immediately. After the contest is over, you should not discuss the timing with any other person in the contest or in fact outside the venue of the contest. Discussing such things violates the Toastmasters code of conduct. Alright, this is all about the role of a timer in a contest. Let me tell you, the role of a timer is very crucial in a contest. Taking the role of a timer can help you in improving your listening skills, as you have to listen carefully to each contestant and signal them accordingly. It also helps you to increase your awareness of time passing by when you are talking to a group or one on one. You will hear from the contestants on how they have to keep their speeches in succinct form to adhere to time limit provided to them. And slowly and gradually you can acquire the skill too. With this knowledge, I hope you are now charged up to take up the role of a timer in a contest. And if in case you have any doubt, do write down in the comment section of this podcast. Our team shall get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.